everybody, we're going to make garlic bread today.
You want to finely mince 3 large cloves of garlic. Make sure it's 1 tablespoon of garlic. Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. To make our recipe, we need 1 loaf of Italian bread, oregano leaves, dried basil, and Italian seasonings, and our butter, which you're going to leave out at room temperature so it gets nice and soft, just like this. All right, we're going to measure out our seasonings now. We need 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Can you measure that out?
Now we're going to put 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Inside the bowl, this is 1/2 teaspoon of basil. Yeah, this is 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We added a stick of soft butter inside. I'm gonna stir it now. Oh, ooh, it's pretty.
I want to get 16 slices out of this loaf, so I'm going to measure about 1/2 inch thick slices. So I cut the first half, and I've cut 8 slices, and now my son is going to cut the second half. Now, this is a trick you can use. Use some chopsticks and then put them on either side of the bread, and it'll help prevent you from cutting all the way through. So can you set them up, please? Now when you're cutting with the knife, make sure you're cutting slowly, and it's a serrated knife, so you have to sort of saw through the bread, and you don't want to go all the way through, so you use the chopsticks at the bottom to prevent you from going all the way through. And you want to cut it about 1/2 inch thick. And so I did 8 slices on the first half, so you're going to do 8 slices on the second half. Garlic butter we're going to spread on both sides. So you're going to put in here. We're going to use this entire amount on this loaf. You want to get in between each slice, but make sure you have enough for all of it, okay? And Alexander's taking over. There we go. Spread it all the way down into the crevice. Make sure you got all that garlic butter on every piece. Once you've used up all the butter and spread it over the entire loaf, we're going to wrap it up in tin foil nice and tight and put it into a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes. Doesn't that look delicious? Yum! I served it with our homemade manicotti, which is also on our YouTube channel. Please check it out. Thank you so much for watching. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel, and have fun in the kitchen. Bye-bye!